The language matrix style is something that you use with the students that you teach.
Exactly. And I've been using it for over a year now and been having amazing results with this. So it definitely works. Yes.
Amazing. Who are the people that are learning Portuguese? Like, what's their motivation?
Well, they're usually looking to improve their relationship with their partner that speaks Portuguese, like Brazilian Portuguese, or maybe they wanna travel to Brazil and have fun, maybe meet some people, make some friends,
Travel is more fun if you can speak Portuguese, right?
especially in Brazil. Yes,
Fabio, I just released a video talking about the whole kind of background behind this. This entire chart, I just found out now that ChatGPT understands the chart and will make the chart like at will, okay?
amazing.
We got three topics here. Even as a complete beginner. Now, I'm not a complete beginner of Portuguese, but let's pretend that the person watching is a complete beginner and this person is wants to travel to Brazil like tomorrow and they want to get as much as they can, right?
Okay.
The topics are viagens, música, esportes. You can say it. You're the native speaker. Can you read the topics for me?
Claro, viagens, música e esportes.
Let me say it real quick in English for the neophyte. I like to travel to exotic places. Yes, no question. Do you like to travel? And that's the format we go. We go topic or statement, right? Yes, no question. Do you like to do this? And then what is the destination of your dreams? So open-ended question. It's as easy as one, two, three. All right. So I like to travel to exotic places. Fábio. Can you say that?
Eu gosto de viajar para lugares exóticos.
Eu gosto de viajar para lugares exóticos.
Boa, boa.
Can you ask me,
Você,
Tony, você?
sim, sim. Você gosta de viajar para lugares exóticos?
Now I have to recall from column one and either say sim, gosto, gosto de viajar para, gosto de viajar para lugares exóticos.
Boa, boa resposta. E qual é o seu destino dos sonhos?
It's Brazil.
Que
É o
emocionante!
Brasil, né?
Que emocionante! Melhor
É.
resposta. The best answer, right?
The student can generate the topic.
Can be any topic, right? So, depending on the person, we generate new topics related to their life. So, if they work, for example, in real estate, we make topics related to this.
Perfect.
If they work with maybe they're bodybuilders, because I have a bodybuilder student.
Okay.
So we talk about nutrition, we talk about working out. I have a jiu-jitsu teacher. We talk about like jiu-jitsu all the time. So things like that. I have many CEOs, directors, people that are in the executive world, and we talk
Nice.
about business all the time.
Eu sou empresário. Ask me, Tony, are you a business?
Tony, você é um empresário?
And I'll say, sim, eu sou empresário. E você, Fábio, você é empresário?
Eu sou também. The new question becomes the new topic sometimes, right?
Good call. Good call.
People in Brazil love when you're speaking just a little bit of Portuguese. It shows you putting in the effort, to be part of our culture. My sister married an American, so
Case in point.
yeah.
Thanks for your little mini lesson here. I think it's going to help people to see the method. So
Yeah, glad I could help.
cool, man.